first thing we gotta do is get into that nose and see where the problem is. We have to clear out the nasal passage to make sure nothing's obstructing your snoring canal.
That's right.
Now, oh, well, if nothing else works... Okay, you're way ahead of me. What Colin does is attach this to his nose. This way we can artificially reproduce the snoring technique. It's not an easy thing to do, but it's something that has to be done. How's that feeling, Cole? Now, this is one of the most important devices in the anti-snoring kit, and Colin's going to explain how it works. Hey, what's that?
Sometimes there is no method to stop snoring.